Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you an exciting pen spinning trick called the double charge. If you've already mastered the basics of pen spinning, like the regular charge, this trick is the perfect next step to take your skills to the next level. In this trick, the pen rotates multiple times around your fingers, giving the illusion of non-stop spinning. What makes the double charge stand out is the speed and rhythm, which makes it visually captivating. Once you master this trick, it opens up a ton of possibilities for combining it with other moves. It's a great way to add complexity and style to your spinning routine. So stay tuned as I walk you through the key movements and tips to nail the double charge. So what exactly is the double charge? Essentially, it's an extended version of the charge where the pen continues spinning around your fingers, creating the illusion of an endless loop. It's a great way to enhance your flow and take your spinning to the next level. Start by holding the pen between your index and middle finger, similar to the standard charge position. A good grip is key to maintaining control while allowing the pen to spin smoothly around your fingers. Make sure the pen is balanced and you're comfortable with the basic charge motion. Double charge, it's all about practice. Take it slow, build up, you'll be spinning like a pro. This trick is not only fun to do, but also a great addition to your combos. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more pen spinning tips.